yeah. 봄이 지나가네요. 여름이 오겠죠. 비가 내리네요. 꽃잎이 떨어지지만 그리움은 남아있어요. 떨어진 꽃잎 사이로 피어오르던 눈물은 그리움처럼 메말라가네요. 이제 여름이 오면은 타오르는 갈증 속에서 겨울이 오기를 기다리고 있겠죠. 가을이 오는 날에 그대를 기다리고 있지만 더 이상 예전의 비마장 그리움은 아니겠지요. Spring is slipping through my fingers and I know the summer's on its way. The rain is falling softly now while the petals drift and decay. Flowers fall upon the ground, but the longing, it decides to stay. Between the petals scattered wide, the tears that used to rise and swell are starting to run dry today, like a longing that has lost its spell. Now when the summer heat arrives, I'll be trapped in the burning thirst, waiting for the winter's frost to break the heat that came here first. In the fire of the golden sun, I'll be dreaming of the white and cold. And when the day of autumn dawns, I'll be waiting there for you. But the yearning that I feel inside won't be the same one I once knew. No longer soaked in the pouring rain, like the memories we wandered through. The spring is gone, the flowers fell, the longing dries within its shell, waiting for a season new, but no longer for the ghost of you.